Welcome back to another episode of 747 Fishing. In today's episode we are out sailing, and while we're sailing we're trolling a Rapala X-Rep 20 behind, so we were going full sail and we had the wind coming up really fresh with 20-25 knots, so very windy day. The fish straight away totally went nuts and swam straight to the front of the boat, and on a sailing boat there is just reduced place and space to fight a fish, so I had quite a task ahead of me to cast the rod around all those different bars. I had to make my way to the front of the boat to be able to fight that fish better. Constant big wind gust made our life not easy while I was fighting that fish.
Da kannst du auch neutral gehen. Oh, big kingfish.
At that point I had made my mind up that this was a kingfish, but always the chance of a big mako shark who also love to hammer on those deep diving lures. Fishing a 15 kilo setup with a Tiaga reel and a Flüger Torion rod, all in 15 kilo and also 15 kilo line. Perfect setup to troll some lures. Big thank you to my cameraman, my daughter Chloe, for doing a really good job in rough seas to hold the camera dead steady. Well done.
That's solid fish.
Every time I was managing to get some line in, he pulled it straight back out, and on top of this we had a big wind gust pushing the boat over, and the fish was starting to run under the boat, and a sailing boat has quite a long keel, and yeah, that was a really scary moment, but I managed it, and then I managed to walk all around the boat to give me a better angle to land this fish.
Don't break the rod.
Big thank you to Mom and Dad for driving the boat and holding it in place so that I could fight the fish, so very well done.
Oh, you alright?
It's big, and the conditions are not easy. The fish is totally under the boat, and I cannot go to the front because the
Yeah, and my way to the front of the boat got also harder with a foresail that wasn't rolling back in and was flapping in the wind in front, so I had to get rid of this first before I could make my way to the front. Absolutely important in those conditions, always wear a life jacket, whatever, even if the water temperature is 21 degrees, but no, if you fall over, hit your head and get unconscious, have no life jacket on, that can be life threatening, so definitely while fighting a fish, have a life jacket on.
What? Oh, that's huge!
we had a massive fight. Whoa. Oh well, here comes sushi. face.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Lass ihn mal halt am Gaffhaken. Was soll ich? Ja, alles klar, geh rein. Oh my gosh. Okay,
That was a hell of a fight.
Yeah, finally got him into the boat.
Whoa.
What an epic battle.
Yeah, no, I'm sitting down.
Yeah, we took the fish with us. Kingfish taste really
Yeah,
yum as sashimi, but also fried. Here's another nice picture of it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button and the like button. Catch you guys on the next one.